Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. Here we are again. We told you we were going to do a series of 3 soups. Well, tonight we're making shrimp Creole. It's not really considered a soup, but of course it's nice and liquidy over some rice and it's going to taste great. So anyway, we're going to get started and we're going to show you what goes into this recipe. We have onions and some bell pepper. We've got garlic, some bay leaves, butter, some flour, parsley. We have tomato sauce, a little bit of thyme. We have our shrimp stock. We have pepper, salt, some of our delicious Caliente Hot sauce, and some beautiful shrimp. Can't wait to taste this. It's so good. My butter is already melted in my pot, so I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. And my bell pepper. Stir that around a little bit. My garlic. Smells so good. I think any dish starting out with butter and onions and garlic and everything just smells so good. So we're going to let this saute now for about maybe 7, 8, 9 minutes, and then we'll be back. Can you come take a look in this pot right now? I have all my little vegetables. They're all softened up. So now the next step, we're going to go ahead and add our flour and blend that into our veggies, and it's all going to stick to the vegetables. That way when we add our liquids, it's going to thicken up and it's going to be a great sauce. So you want to make all your little vegetables coated with your flour. Then we're going to go ahead and add our tomato sauce. Ooh, don't eat all that. Yummy. Stir it in. That's all going to thicken when that tomato sauce gets with that flour and the hot vegetables. It's going to start to thicken up a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp stock. Everything is blended in right now. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go add our parsley. And we're going to add our thyme. We're going to add our tablespoon of our delicious Caliente Hot sauce. I'm going to stir that in and blend it. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're going to add our shrimp. Oop, one more. We're going to stir that all in. We're going to add our bay leaves. I love bay leaves. We're going to bring this up to a nice little simmer, and we're going to cover it for about 30 minutes, and your shrimp Creole is done. It's just that easy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, look at that. Shrimp Creole. Oh my goodness, this is the best you've ever had. We're going to go ahead and make a nice plate, and we're going to be ready to taste it. It's going to be delicious. Can't wait. Our shrimp Creole is ready. It's absolutely delicious, and we're going to plate it up for you. I'm telling you, if you went anywhere in New Orleans and got this dish, you're going to be paying top dollar for this because it's so good, but it's so easy. You can make this at home. So we're going to go ahead and plate it up. I'm going to go ahead and plate this around my little delicious tower of rice. Okay, it's taste time. I just want to tell you, this smells so good. And all the different flavors and things like that go into the shrimp Creole. This is something that everybody from New Orleans has always had since they're a child. It tastes so good. It's not a heavy base soup. It's just a light, flavorful soup. And just, I'm telling you, using that shrimp stock that you make puts it over the top. So we just have to go in and try it right now and just see how good it is. I want to thank you all so much for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen with this wonderful shrimp Creole recipe. And if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to help us out, subscribe to our channel. Y'all have a great night and God bless.